Hello and welcome to all. This is part third of Plato, and in this part we'll be studying idea of good. ऐसे can anyone tell me what is the meaning of good? बेसिकली गुड की परिभाषा क्या है? अपने आप को बताओ ज़रा एक बार 1 मिनट लेके अपने आप को बताओ कि व्हाट डू यू अंडरस्टैंड बाय द वर्ड टर्म गुड. अगर किसी के दिमाग में आ रहा होगा कि गुड जैसे गुड तो भाई गुड ही होता है, अच्छी चीज़ अच्छी होती है, बुरी चीज़ें बुरी, बट बुरी को कैसे होता है, बराबर. तो ये चीज़ पे थोड़ा प्लेटो और कॉन्टिनेंटल फिलॉसफी मतलब कॉमन सेंसिकल फिलोसोफर जैसे जी मूर, ये लोगों का कहना रहता है कि गुड और बैड है, ये सिर्फ एक वर्ड है एट्रीब्यूट से जो यूज़ किए जाते हैं. बट प्लेटो का कहना अलग ही होता है. अकॉर्डिंग टू प्लेटो द आइडिया ऑफ गुड इज अल्टीमेट रियलिटी. प्लीज नोट दिस पॉइंट, अल्टीमेट रियलिटी, एकमेव सच, ultimate reality. It is the highest idea, it is the substratum of the universe, right? And in the coming part we'll be studying Spinoza, right? Spinoza will be studying Shankaracharya, what is Brahman according to Shankaracharya. So ultimate reality of Plato can be connected with the Brahm of Shankaracharya, and we can connect the substance of Spinoza. ये याद रखना प्लीज़. The physical world is only appearance, just as light due to sun, right? Not sun itself. Light, sun में से light आती है, right? Sun light दे रहा है, light sun नहीं दे रहा. तो sun क्या हुआ? अपने आप में एक source of light हुआ. वैसे ही the world of existence is due to idea of good, but not the idea of good itself. जैसे अब विश्व है, दैट इज एन आइडिया ऑफ गुड, राइट? ये जो अर्थ है, दिस इज आइडिया ऑफ गुड, दिस इज काइंड ऑफ आइडिया. बट यू कैनॉट से कि दिस वर्ल्ड इज आइडिया, यू कैनॉट से द आइडिया इज गुड और द गुड इज द ओनली आइडिया और द गुड इज वर्ल्ड. नो, दिस existence is due to idea of good, बराबर. आइडिया ऑफ गुड एग्जिस्टेंस में होती है. नॉलेज, सी, टू नो इज टू बी, दिस इज ऑल्सो very much similar with the Indian philosophy. To know is to be is very much similar with Indian philosophy when we talk about ultimate realities. Shankaracharya, Brahma aspect, Daivam aspect. Okay, so keep this in mind when we'll be studying Shankaracharya. That time we will connect this and understand me. This is the easiest subject, very easy subject if you understand. If you are not understanding, if you'll say okay इसका पोर्शन कम है, ये ऐसे ऐसे जाता है, ऐसे ऐसे, no, there is no mechanical method in this subject. You have to understand things, and once you understand you can take your own flight of thought, speculate things, क्योंकि ये भी एक ब्रांच है फिलोसफी की, स्पेक्यूलेटिव मेटाफिजिक्स, राइट? टू नो इज टू बी. जब आप कुछ चीज़ जान रहे हो, when you know something you can name it, right? Knowable things are nameable. To know is to be. If you know it, then you can be. If you don't know, you cannot be. If you know there is idea of good, you can amplify it. If you don't know what is idea of good, you cannot amplify it. If you know what is philosophy, you'll understand, you will study, right? But you don't know what is philosophy, then you cannot understand. And philosophy, मार्केट में बवाल मचा दिया, फिलॉसफी ये है वो है. फिलॉसफी कुछ नहीं है. फिलॉसफी is only what you think. Everyone is philosopher. To know is to be implies everyone is philosopher. Every man has inclination towards philosophy, and anyone can climb the stairs and become the good according to Plato. According to Plato, anyone can be good. So we have completed the idea, to know is to be. Idea of love, right? For Plato, love is meant to be force that brings all things together and makes them beautiful. You're getting me? लव एक ऐसा फोर्स है जो सब चीज़ों को पास में लाके उन चीज़ों को खूबसूरत बना देता है, राइट. एंड टू बी स्पेसिफिक, ह्यूमन बींग्स जैसे सेल्फ रियलाइजेशन के लिए आगे जाते हैं. सेल्फ रियलाइजेशन इज अ पार्ट ऑफ परफेक्शन, राइट. Love over here, it is spiritual love, intellectual love, beauty, goodness. The platonic love is ultimate way of knowing and realizing the absolute and truth. You're getting me? So from here we can understand the idea of good is same of as of idea of truth. Truth is the highest, right? Love is the highest, truth is highest, love is highest, idea of good is highest. So truth, love, justice, these are the ideas of good. These are the ideas which are there in transcendent world वाली ideas, same to say. Wow, such a beauty. बहुत easy है सर, बहुत easy है. Listen to me. Idea of love is ultimate way of knowing and realizing the absolute and ultimate truth. And whenever I'm quoting these things, like this was there from Symposium, it is one of the Plato's book. Even if you write this sentences, you will fetch the marks. बहुत अच्छे से sentences उठा के लिख दो, marks मिलने हैं, right? Please do this. Realizing ultimate truth. What is truth? Truth is the highest. Truth is the highest form of reasoning. Truth is a reason. Truth is the reality. And truth should be there everywhere. Right? And truth cannot be opinion, right? Please be aware. Over here, when Plato is talking truth, he is not making comment on subjectivity of truth. You can say that truth is very subjective in nature. आपके लिए सच है, किसी और के लिए सच ना हो, किसी और के लिए सच है, आपके लिए सच ना हो. 11 बजे धूप में एक लकड़ी सीधी खड़ी कर दो, परछाई अपोजिट डायरेक्शन पड़ेगी, वही 5 बजे अपोजिट डायरेक्शन में पड़ेगी. बदल गया, सच बदल गया. Over here he is talking ultimate truth. A person who cannot know the truth which is the absolute truth. I hope you are understanding the absolute truth. For the people who are very theist, the absolute truth is God, and Plato was also theist, right? The people who are animistics, right? The idea of good is nature, the absolute idea. People who are communists, people who are fascist, people who believes in idea of Nazism, for them truth is what the person above you is doing. But for Plato, truth is idea. That idea is living in that world, and that idea cannot be changed. Truth cannot be changed. Same wise, according to Shankaracharya, Brahma cannot be changed. Shankaracharya says, and if you go back to scriptures, you will see Tattvamasi. That is you and me. That you is me, or that is me who is a part of you. Tattvamasi. I am the part of you. So, this is ultimate truth. I hope this much is clear.